So, hello family, my name is Divine, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to actually trade and make money from the forex market. So if you are a complete newbie, that is a total novice, you don't know what the forex market, you don't know what people do in the forex market, and you are currently watching this video, I'm going to try my best to break down everything for you, so you are going to have a good understanding of what the forex market is about, how to analyze, how to take trades, and how to make money trading the forex market. All right, so I'm going to be speaking to you like I'm communicating to a 6-year-old child. So I will break everything down, and I promise you are not going to end up being confused. With that being said, let's get right into what we have today. So what do people do in the forex markets? There are two things actually that people do in the forex market. So you are either buying in the forex market, you are either buying or you are selling. Now you may want to ask me, what are you buying and what exactly are you selling? So now let me rephrase my statement. You are in the forex market, you are either entering a position, you are either entering a buy position or you are entering a sell position. Regardless of whichever one you are doing, you can make money from that, as well as you can also lose money doing it. So what is going to prevent you from constantly losing your money in the forex market is if you are buying, you are entering the market for buys in the right zone, in the right entry points, then it's going to prevent you from constantly making losses. Also, if you are entering the market for sales at the right point, at the right zones, then you are going to make profits doing that. I'm going to explain everything about technical analysis and a whole lot in this video. So please stay tuned, click on the subscribe button, and also go and get you can pause this video now, go and get your pen and writing material, that's your paper, or you can turn on your notes tab where you can be jotting all these things I'm saying right now, so that you can come back to it and refresh your memory again. All right, this video is going to be available on YouTube, so you can always come back to it. Okay, so let's proceed. Now I'm going to record another video using my phone to show you how you can enter buy entries in the forex market and how you can enter sell entries in the forex market. All right, so let's proceed. Now there are two things in the forex market. There's something called candlesticks. All right, in the forex market there's something called candlesticks, and the candlesticks is used to show the volume of buyers or sellers that are present in the forex market. So candlestick shows the volume of buyers and sellers that are present in the forex market. So there are two types of candlesticks. You have the buy candles and the sell candle. You have the buy candles and the sell candle. I'm going to show you all these things you can see here are called candles. They are different candles. But let me change the color. Because it's going to, like, this may confuse you as a newbie, but let me just change the color so that let me make the body to be green. Let me make it green and this red. All right, so you can see now there are two candles that you are seeing here, the buy candles and the sell candles. The buy candles are these green ones, these green candlesticks that are going up. The buy candles goes up while the sell candles comes down. The buy candles goes up, the sell candles comes down. You can see it. When the market is going up, these are buy candles that are forming, and when the market is coming down, these are sell candles that are forming. So but buy candles sometimes will not just continue. You will not just be seeing buy candles just like that because the market is going up. There will be little retracement happens. It means you are going to be seeing some sell candles in between these buy candles. Likewise, when market is selling, when market is going down, you are going to see some buy candles as well, just like this. You will not just see pure red candles, you will not just see pure selling candles. Sometimes there will be little retracement, and this, just like you can see these ones, these are sell candles coming down. It's pushing the market down. Sell candles. Then there was a little retracement. So these retracements are the buy candles that are forming. Then the sell continue. All right. Now the next thing I want to teach you is on candlesticks formation. I'm going to explain that by showing you this. Let me draw two types of candles for you. One will represent a buy candle, another one will represent a sell candle. Let me make this to be red to represent sell candle. Now look at this. There's usually a wick, just like in candlesticks, a normal candlestick you have in your house. There's usually a wick. All right, so now let me explain what I mean. I want to teach you on candlesticks formation, how buy candles start forming and how sell candles start forming. When a buy candle, let's identify this one as our buy candle. All right, let's call this our buy candle, this green one, and let's call this one our sell candle. Here's my arrow tool. So this is our buy candle and this is our sell candle. Now the buy candle starts forming from the bottom. You can see where my cursor is. The buy candle starts forming from the bottom and close at the top. And immediately it close, another candle start forming at this point. At this point, another candle starts forming. Immediately the buy candle closes, another candle will immediately start forming here from this point. So if it's another buy candle that is forming, that means here will be the next bottom and it will proceed to create another candle at the top. But if it's a sell candle that is forming, immediately the buy candle closes, the sell candle will start forming from the top. Sell candle starts forming from the top and close at the bottom. As simple as this thing I just explained is, a lot of traders neglect it, and it's one of the key foundation that is going to help you understand how to do proper technical analysis. This is going to help you. So don't forget this thing I just said. Buy candles always start forming from the bottom and close at the top, while sell candles, they start forming from the top and close at the bottom. So let me show you real candle here. Let's go to the charts. Let me show you real candle. You can see this buy candle now. Let's use this buy candle as our point of interest. This candle in particular. You can see how this candle starts forming from the bottom here. At this point here, that's where it starts forming. It went up and closed at this point. Now, you may want to ask me, what about these wicks here? What about these wicks? These wicks represent areas where, just like this one, where there's a buy candle, right? This place, this point, what it's trying to tell us is that at some point in this market, the sellers were too much that they came to and created this low, the sellers were overpowering the market and created this low. Then buyers came into the market and pushed it back up. Right? So at some point in this market, there were more sellers than buyers. Right? That's what this week is trying to tell us. So this week represents when sellers took over the market, then lost it. They took over the market to show that there was a little sell that occurred there, but then the buyers were in the market, so they pushed the price back to this point. All right, and it closed here. So your point of interest, your focus in all this I've just said is not to be thinking on where buyers and sellers are big, or don't confuse yourself with all those stories I just said. Just the major thing I want you to pick from here is that buy candles always start forming from the bottom and close at the top, while sell candles start forming from the top and closed at the bottom. Just like you can see this green candle and this red candle here, the buy candle started forming from this point and closed here, while as immediately closed, another candle start forming, which is the sell candle. There was a little buy in this market, then sellers took over and it started selling. All right, sellers overpowered the buyers in the market. That's just what it's trying to tell us. All right, so this little wick here represents that there was little buys in the market before it starts to sell. Okay, so what candlesticks simply does is to give us information on the volume of buyers or sellers in the market, the amount of buyers or sellers in the market. That's the information candlestick is trying to pass to us. Are you getting me? Now, the next thing I want to tell you is different time frame and the information they tell. The different time frames and the information they tell. I'm currently on the daily trading view, okay? So, but the point I'm trying to bring here, or let me just continue from this place, right? I'm currently on the daily trading view, but it's similar to the normal trading view here. All right, so if you look to the top left corner here, you see 10 minutes time frame. It's showing me 10 minutes time frame. So there's 1 minute, there's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on. There's also the hourly time frame. There's also the hourly time frame. It's not just, there's also the hourly time frame. There's the daily time frame. Let me move this a little bit to this point. You can see 30 minutes. There's the hourly time frame. 24 hours simply shows us 24 hours makes one day, right? So it shows us that there's a daily time frame as well. There's a daily time frame. There's 8 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame, and so on. What is this time frame trying to tell us? Remember, I say candlestick shows us the volume of buyers or sellers in the market, in the current forex market. Now, this time frame simply tells us how long these incidents occur. It just tells us the intervals at which this occurs. That's just it. The time frame shows us the intervals at which the time frame, it shows us the interval, how long these incidents occurred. For example, if you come to my apartment and someone told you that I went to the market, so you now ask the person, let's say I went to the market, the person tell you that I went to the market by 7 a.m. You will now ask the person, when do you think Divine is going to come back? The person will be like, he is going to come back home in the next 2 hours. So the 2 hours simply shows you how long I will be in the market. Now, when I say this is the 30 minutes time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, let's say there are more sales in the market. The 30 minutes time frame shows us how long do sellers overpower how long do your sellers active in the market? That's a good word to use. How long were sellers active in this market? So now let me move this here. So look at all these candles here. Look at all these candles here. Look at all these candles here. What this is trying to tell us, remember we are in the 30 minutes time frame. What this is trying to tell us is that each of these candles here took 30 minutes to form. Each of them, no matter the size, even the smallest one here, it still took 30 minutes to form. So each of these candlesticks here, whether it's the green candle or the red candle, the same 30 minutes that it take this small one to form, it's the same 30 minutes it took this big one to form. So when you enter the 30 minutes time frame, each of the candles you are seeing there is taking 30 minutes to form. You can see over here there's another candle that is forming. There's a candle that is about to form, and you can see how the countdown timer is showing you how many minutes remaining for this candle to be fully formed. You can see this green candle here. It's after 30 minutes it formed and move over to creating another candle. Can you see it? Now if you go to the 1 hour time frame, this is 1H means 1 hour. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, what does this tell you? That each of these candlesticks here took 1 hour to form. Each of them took 1 hour to form. Both the smallest one and the long big buy candle, they all took 1 hour to form. If you are getting me so far, if you are enjoying the class so far, please subscribe and drop a comment. Make sure you drop a comment. I want to see your comments in the comment section, so make sure you drop a comment as you are watching this video. All right, and please share this video to as many as possible so that they can understand Forex market and how to analyze and how to do their technical analysis properly and make money from the Forex market. All right, I am Divine Akachuku, so stay with me as we continue in this class. So as I was saying, each of these candles took 1 hour to form. Now there's another important thing I want to say. Let's pick this candle here as our point of interest. This big candle here. All right, this big candle here, this big buy candle. Remember we're on the 1 hour time frame. Let me just highlight it in this candle so that we will not be confused if we see it another place. All right guys, watch what wants to happen right now. Just watch this. Okay, I highlighted the buy candles here. All right, if we moved, we are currently at the 1 hour time frame. If we move to the 30 minutes time frame, you're going to see something. It's going to change to 2 candles. It's going to change to 2 candles. Remember, it's just one buy candle that we highlighted in the 1 hour time frame. When we came to the 30 minutes time frame, you are seeing 2 buy candles. What does that tell you? It means that 30 minutes time frame is just half of the 1 hour time frame. So if you are seeing one candle in the 1 hour time frame, if you come to the 30 minutes time frame, you'll be seeing 2 candles. That is to say, each of those candles in the 30 minutes time frame took 30 minutes to form, and 30 minutes in 2 places is 1 hour. You get the point? So likewise, if we mark this whole candle here, this one now, let's mark this buy candle in the 30 minutes time frame. We are currently in the 30 minutes time frame. If we move over to the 15 minutes time frame, what are we seeing? We are seeing 2 candles again. We are seeing 2 candles again. What does this tell you? It means 15 minutes time frame is just half of the 30 minutes time frame. This is very important. This is very important, so you don't get yourself confused. I've shown you the different time frame and the information they tell. let's proceed. Now lastly, I want to show you the important apps you need to have on your phone as you start your forex trading journey. The important apps. But please, I skipped one thing before that, the major time frame I used to trade, because I'm not just teaching you, I'm also telling you what I do, so that it's going to shorten your learning process. Okay? And please, as you start watching this my course, please don't go and watch any other YouTube video so you don't get yourself confused. If you want to stick with watching my course, you want to stick with watching my videos, please stick with it. Don't go and be learning any other entry models or any other analysis type elsewhere from another YouTube video. You will get yourself very confused, and that was the mistake I made in 2022. When I started trading forex, my mentor, the person that taught me, after I finished teaching me, I implemented what he taught me and I started making money. I made good amount of money, substantial amount of money for some time. All right. But along the line, I just felt that I need to know more. That I'm lagging behind. I need to know more. I was already making money, but I just felt that I need to know more. I went to YouTube and watched a whole lot of trading types and technical analysis video. It just messed up my psychology, messed up my emotion, messed up everything about my trading career. I watched trend line, I watched SMC, I watched it. They were just contradicting themselves, and it made me confused. And that was the beginning of my downfall. First off, I lost all my prop firm accounts. I lost money. These losses happened for 1 year plus. So I have to stay off the chart for some months to clear my head. So everything I'm teaching you out of pain. I learned the hard way. So I'm teaching you out of pain, right? I'm telling you all these things so that you don't make the same mistake I did and prolong your forex trading journey. You can learn forex in a month, apply what you learned, and you'll be seeing results. I promise you that. So just stick. If you like my pattern of teaching and you want to stick with watching my videos, please stick to it and don't go and be jumping looking for different videos here and there so you don't get yourself confused. Am I communicating? Now let's move over to the time frames I used to trade. Firstly, at the beginning of the week, that is on Sunday, the market is not yet open. The forex market opens on Sunday. This is Nigerian time, so on Sunday by 10 p.m. on Sunday, and closes by 12 p.m. on Friday, Nigerian time. So it closes 12 p.m. on Friday and opens on Sunday by 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So the time frame I use on Sundays, after I come back from church, I will analyze my charts and see what I'm expecting for the week. Okay, so I will go to the weekly time frame to see what exactly is going on in the forex market. Let me just go to the normal trading view. I'll go to the weekly time frame to see what is happening in the weekly time frame. It's going to show me a bigger view of what is going on. It's going to show me a bigger view of what is going on. Here is that GBP USD. That's my favorite pair, GBP USD. So this is it. I'll come to this time frames. I'll go to the weekly time frame to have a bigger picture of what is happening in the market. Just as you can see now, price is in a big uptrend. And see, price is in a big uptrend. It's shooting up. So my weekly time frame have shown me that price is in a big uptrend. I don't take my trade from weekly time frame. I'll go to the daily time frame. That is, if what I saw on the weekly time frame is not very clear for me, I'll go to the daily time frame. All right. So, but I've shown you what I just did, right? But then I take my trades from the 1 hour time frame and the 15 minutes time frame. That's what I use to take my trade. I use the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame to give me perspective of what the market wants to do, to give me a clear view of what the market is trying to do. All right, I want to know where the market is heading to and where the market is coming from. All right, so but I use my 1-hour time frame for my entries and 15-minute time frame for my entries. Sometimes I use 5-minute time frame for confirmation. I look for my confirmation entry pattern, then I enter the market, I take my trades. Okay, so I am a day trader. I'm not a scalper, I'm a day trader. I'm not a swinger. Day trading means you are taking trade. Your trades, any trade you take in a day may end up that day, or it just 2 days or a day interval or hour. In some hours you are done. All right, but swinging means you just enter a trade and leave it for weeks, for months. All right, so I'm a day trader. I'm teaching you how to become a day trader like myself. Now, I've told you the time frame that you should focus on. The weekly time frame for bigger view of what the market is about to do, the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and the 15-minute time frame for your entries. Now, lastly, let me tell you the apps that you need in this forex market as you start your forex market. So go to your Google Play Store, your Apple Store, and download TradingView. That's what you're going to use to analyze the forex market. This chart you are currently seeing right now, this is TradingView, but I'm on my laptop right now, so you are seeing the browser version, the desktop version. You can go to your phone and download the Android, that is, you can download the app version, the mobile version rather. Okay, so TradingView for analysis on your charts. Then MT5 app. The MT5 app, I'm going to record another video to show you the MT5 app. All right, so the MT5 app is what you're using for your entries to enter the market. Either you are entering for buys or you're entering for sales. Remember what I taught at the beginning of this course. Either you're entering for buys or you're entering for sales. So that's where you're entering the forex market. You're opening positions for buy or you're opening positions for sell. That's what you do there. So you just connect your broker to the MT5 and you take your trade from the MT5. Okay, now lastly, FX News app. You can download any FX News app that you like that is available in your country, depending on where you're watching this video from. Maybe in the US, the UK, whatever news app you use there, it's okay. FX News app rather, for Forex, FX News app. But the one I use is my FX book. That's what I use. So go to Google Play Store and search for my FX book, or iOS Store and search for my FX book. So this is what the MT5 look like when you go to your Play Store, your iOS Store to download it. Right, so you just need to download MT5, then sign in and create a demo account. Okay, now when I say you're entering buy entries or when I say you're entering sell entries, this is what I mean. To enter a buy entry, you tap this plus sign here. If you click on, let me reduce this. Alright, so if you click on sell market, it means you have opened a sell position. Alright, so this is how you close it. You just slide to the left and close it. Or if you click on this plus icon and click on buy market, you have opened a buy position. If it's showing red here, it means you are in loss, you are making loss. But if it's showing blue here, it means you are making profit. Is that okay? So let's just close this. So I've shown you how to open a buy position and how to open a sell position. So when I say buy, this is what I mean. You are opening a buy position. When I say sell, this is what I mean. You're opening a sell position. you are longing the market, or it can be interchangeable to mean long or short. If you say long, you are buying, you are opening a buy position. If you say long the market, you are opening a buy position, because when the market is buying, it keeps going up, right? That's why they call it long. And short, it's selling, right? So opening a buy position means you come here, you first of all come to MT5, tap the, when you come to MT5, it's going to be like this, right? So you go to this place they wrote trade, then tap the plus sign like this, then click on buy to open a buy position, or click on sell to open a sell position. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the part 1 or module 1 of this course. I hope I've done justice to introducing the whole concept about Forex trading. With this, I've dealt with the basics. In our next class, we are going to enter technical analysis proper. We're going to enter market structure. We'll talk about market structure, other blocks, and all those stuff. If you've gotten value so far, please comment below. I got value. I want to see your comments. Please type your sweet comment. I want to see your comments in the comment section. All right, I want to see your comments. I got value, or whatever positive comment you want to drop from me. I want to see it. And also, don't forget to like this video. All right, like this video and subscribe. Please subscribe so that you can be notified when I drop the second module or the second part of this course. This is going to be the only Forex course you need, all right, for you to be profitable. I'm going to make sure that you become a profitable Forex trader. All right, so subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video. I am Divine. I'll see you in the next video.